Hello everyone, I am Michelle, and today I will be showing you how to install InfinityPV I-V and Lifetime software, which you can use with our source measure units. Go to our website or click on the link in the description. Go over Products and click on Software Solutions. Then click on I-V Lifetime software. If you scroll down, you will see the downloading section with links. There are two options to download. In this tutorial, we will choose the one with the data logger. When you click, it will start downloading automatically. Before installing the software, you need to install the third-party driver from clabs.com. If you click on the link right below the same page, you will find instructions for driver installation. As shown in the instructions and in this video, be careful which software to download from the website and which setup file to run after downloading. After installing the driver, your computer is ready to install the I-V Lifetime software. After the installation of the software, the program will run automatically. If there is no SMU connected, the program will run under demo mode, where you can play with the features of both of our SMU units. If you would like to run the real program, plug in your InfinityPV SMU unit and run the software after plugging. That's it for the installing InfinityPV I-V and Lifetime software. See you next time!